In this Learning Lab, we'd like to highlight a little application that allows you to create a custom web part that connects to our RT web parts. Every once in a while people tell us, yeah, we just need some specialized kind of a web part that's going to pass things over to your web parts. How do we do that? So it's really got not a lot to do with Pi, but we're going to go ahead and demonstrate it. And just so you know, there are some prerequisites. It does require these extensions for Visual Studio so that it can work with SharePoint. And of course you need to have our web parts installed. In the Learning Lab environment, you're going to find this in the Web Parts section. Under Create a Custom Web Part, you'll find the solution. And this is what it looks like. What we're going to be doing here is basically creating a custom web part that you can then add and make interact with any of the other web parts. For example, the web parts that we ship with RT web parts. So for example, if I go into Edit Page, I'll go ahead and add a web part. Let's add a web part right here. And the grand finale to this is once you've done this, you have a brand new web part of your own design. Here it is right here. And you can get it to do whatever you want it to do. Now in this particular lab, we show you how to create this base web part, how to make it connectable to other web parts, which I'll demonstrate in just a second. Here's the web part right here. How to add a property to make it editable, and then just some client-side scripting as well, Java scripting. So we'll take a look at all that in this lab, or all that's available in the lab. So let's take a look at how we would modify this. We've made this editable, and for example, I can put a list of Pi tag names. These are some of the tags that we use in training quite a bit. And as you can see, this is a custom web part. If I get out of edit mode, exit edit mode here, you'll see it's simply shows me like a combo box the tags here. But of course, you know, the sky's the limit. You can do anything you want with this web part. This is a very simple example. Now I can connect that to an existing web part from OSIsoft. That would be an RT web part. So let me go ahead and add a trend to this. This is going to be found under the RT web parts. I'll go ahead and choose RT trend. And now I'm going to modify that RT trend and make a connection so that it's going to get the name of the tag from this right here. So I'll choose Edit, Connections, and in this case I want to receive parameters from this customized web part here. Now I still need to modify this to set up exactly what it is from that web part I'm trying to receive. So I'll go into the definition for this RT trend, and it's right here in the connections available under this selected data that I can make a connection to that web part. I select the web part, I select the field called selected tag, and that establishes my connection. And as you can see, it works immediately. I'll go ahead and exit edit mode just to demonstrate as we switch from one to the next. We now have a fully functional customized web part that works with the Pi RT web parts. Now as I said, where you'll find this is under the Web Parts section, Create a Custom Web Part. Just go ahead and open up your solution. You'll find step-by-step instructions in the documentation. As I said, we show both creating and testing just about everything here. Now, you may recognize this as one of the applications that some of the folks who blog over at vCampus has submitted.